Severe winds and heavy snowfall across the United States have forced airports to shut down runways, and flights have been suspended in several areas. Between Sunday and Tuesday, more than 11,055 flights were canceled. On Monday alone, approximately 5,600 to 5,700 flights were canceled, nearly 20% of all flights nationwide. This information was reported by flight tracking company FlightAware. According to the National Weather Service, parts of Rhode Island and Massachusetts received up to 37 inches of snow. Due to the heavy snowfall, more than 600,000 homes across northeastern states lost power. By Monday evening, 519,232 homes and offices were still without electricity. Because of the severe weather conditions, the Boston Globe was unable to print its newspaper for the first time in its 153-year history, as employees could not reach the printing press due to the heavy snow.